Boca. You what I do? Mother Road, Erskine. Finally. I may go take some time, roll up in a while. We are going cruise and going. We have 10 minutes before we start the
Me tired. Overcoming, huh? Yeah, man. Right at the
Check. Oh my look, my more loaded up. Check. Yeah. We're on a live song. Hey, come me, that time me, send me, come me, let the time me pay, I'm the waffle boy, live on the chat, what is it? What the quiet, is a stage show of eyes, what the quiet, the whole miss. Tell it no, rise the shot number, the shot. One taking out one more taking out one more taking out. Shut it down, me clap it down, me knock it down. Alright, me so slap it down, me look it down, me slap it down. Tight, me knock it down. I say, oh, knock it down. I'm like, we don't look here, why you knock it down? What? check. Yeah. Alive. Ain't not this you, yeah. Alive. I jump in jail. I jump in jail. Check.
Yeah. Step to me the rifle, don't never like you. AR1 bad fi fly to. People a bite you, me no know where try go. Them say this a killer done by psycho. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, people, we have bad artists in our place. Eagle God. I'm just go and warm up the place with you, right? Talk to them, bad artists.
Yeah. You know what live vibes, you know? Yeah, man. Our one family, man. You know, I pray. We see the boy violate live vibes. You know what go on? Step to me the rifle, don't never like you. AR1 bad fi fly to. People a bite you, me no know where try go. Them say this a killer done by psycho. Me light and me maga, no expect me fi fight you. But me heavy when me pick up the breaker. Shot go where boy go, where this me a island. Live vibes, you know why? Everybody! So don't fuck with live vibes, we evil bad. Shot make you bleed so bad, meet your God. We gon' bust so sweet, we on your people side. We got the Beretta from Italy, Uzi from Germany. AK, nothing in we community. If violate them, I go in the cemetery. Gunshots sting them like bees, cut them up like cheese. Police said they never see nothing like these. In the flipping night breeze, them life disappear like sneeze. Them rush with a ratchet, we rush them with a matic. Who first to get a casket, who they didn't have it. Head bust like elastic, they melt up like plastic. Should I get the facts and relax quick? Okay then, it's over now, that's it. We shot them till them stop kick. Fling me in a one box quick, and hide them from the cops quick. When we are worried just stick, we know one like a chicks. The eagle them no stop tick. Until gunshots sting them like bees, cut them up like cheese. Police said they never see. You know what Eagle, you know, represent Rochester artists behind the scene, but you know what? We not stay behind them, you know, we push out and go forward, you see me? I want Eagle. I feel like any other Eagle, a drunker Eagle. You see it? Yeah, man, big up live vibes, man. You know what thing going on? Yeah, man, Drew and then what thing going on? The whole family. Yeah, man. How you go? What me a drink?
Check in, people. Check in. We need to for like the live right now. Register we are job from early. We're gonna get a sneak peek. Artist there. You see me and say everybody nice, everybody there. We know now we for toast. Yeah. Rum Punch Bar say you don't know, say DNK catering is in the building. Check in. Yeah. Producer there, check in. I see the chat active, so you wanna know? You know me not big on nothing, you know. I'm a bossy boy, I'm a face it, but me a big on for like the live. Yeah. I road to 500 subscribers, so if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the page. Please subscribe to the page. It's Live Vibes TV on YouTube. Yeah. Tell a friend. On your side man, them on your side girl them. Yeah. Like the live, like all our thing them on the page, and we're on all platforms. Yeah, we never delete for with TikTok, so we're still up on TikTok. Yeah, what about people delete them TikTok and have TikTok no more like myself that. But Live Vibes page is still up on TikTok, like you know what I'm saying? Follow up on TikTok, follow up on Instagram. Yeah, no, me did delete mine, you know, like idiot, because I see look a warning from my page. So I delete mine, so them tell me say, yo, because I delete mine, me can't get it back. And now No, what Jay, I feel share. I feel a video call and I show me, and I screen share TikTok, and I show me what I go up on the fire you. I swear, brother, it's not a pretty, yeah, you know, real. Yeah, man. Yeah, after the meeting, after our meeting, you know, the other night, I was like, yo, want to see what I go up on the fire you page. I want to see what Rosalie around the fire you page, and I show me what I go on. Oh, the president. One president. I'm on there for him there, you know. Prezi. You know, say today I look for my calendar because I run for my no homo. I mean, I say I want there for the today card, I 23rd or today. Why 27th for him there, you see me I say. Well, it whole month of him month still. You see me I say, boy, you want to do a big celebration when me get my personal invitation to the 27th. You know, so we're going to do a Julio. Yeah. We're gonna be a Julio. I see the lights going up. I see 8 people in the chat though. I'm gonna need y'all to like the live. Like the live, please. We're gonna get active soon. Yeah. If I hear my voice, I know I say, what? I'm nice. Yeah. Go! Oh Jesus. The live vibes are checking to the people. If you like the live, please subscribe. What I said? We wrote to 500 subscribers. Yeah. We're not too greedy over here. Step by step, we're gonna get there. Here's Susie with a million plaque. What you know why? Oh Jesus. Check in, people. Check in. So my God, they heard that time. From my friend that said them love me when me know them blind. I pray they got the youth, but I know them kind. Babylon, I shoot them. And as Jay said before, and as I hear before, we have a special guest artist in the building. One artist of finest and upcoming. Is going to say, so check in and stay tuned. Yeah. Yo, I just see the title. Oh, Jesus. Yo, Jay, people are ready for your mix, you know. I walk on. The damn frustration. Tired of Babylon and them damn molestation. Them know me occupation. Send a lock off the sound and lock me on no station. With music of our nation. Check in, people, check in. Go through them tribulation. Well, I got something where I go and where I go over. Yeah. Holy, what think I go in that place? Holy, what think I go? Who are the king of the dancehall? Me tired of it every day, man of them. Who are the king of the dancehall, John? Blood a shed, tired of it. Get ready in the chat, get ready. Can't sleep in them bed, me tired of it. Poverty, we need solidarity. Me a talk to the minority. You hear me clearly. My breed, so my mind couldn't find a place to rest. Until I got this third black tattoo on my chest. Nigga never sleep when I'm living in the past. They wouldn't last. Me pop off and first the blast. You know my father, he was a gangster in the street. But now he's gone. Me the yes, I still that beat. He may rest in peace. No, I'm heading for the streets. I remember me. So many youngies in the cemetery. It's as if I am a missionary. But when I'm gone, yo, my mama gon' cry for me. Show me some happiness again. I'm going blind. I spend my time downstairs. I live in bed. You know my destiny's hell, but till I fail. My mind is so misleading. I couldn't see. I got a brain full of demons trying to break free. I know one day I die, but when I die, I'll be stepping with my Father and the Most High.
Hard up, guerrilla warfare with investing, arresting. Full clip gonna stick when me run now. Me 3-star me use and cut the fucking tongue out. Come on, hype with your girl, what we don't know. This is the run now, rise the gun now.
I told the boy them go flip some me. Pop off, attack them with the 12 gauge the mouth. Chop off them, drop off with the pop off with the back off. I don't shot them with the black off. You wanna see how the youth was step out in a black work? When man a take me to the street just like a black work. Push me in the video, girl, I saw me got work. Back, I saw me got work, but stop work.
No one sick in a war. Who's are sick in a war. She's not with me, just funny tip in a war. They're the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Running on me and keep me for shot boy yo. They're the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Running on me and you. Anyway, you can't come from man ends and tell me about gun down. You must know why your tabernacle get bun. Left the place before sundown. Bring my gun come. Why you chat tough and see my face and turn down. None of this, the wisdom, tell him so fist done. Brand new machine up on my waist, I embrace now. We don't have no time to chase now. Left the place now. That gunshot in your face now. Tell them, they ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Gun in a me and keep me for shot boy yo. They ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Gun in a me and you. Anyway, you can't chat bad man pan no house broken. Can't chat man pan no car scrapping. 15 million, me bring a gun shopping. You can't take 9 copy no fire smart scrapping. Last boy this the big man me kidnap me. Time run a like post a same place me gas see. You tell him this him over the one child to test him. And a pint and black don't need to rest him. Tell them, they ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Gun in a me and pick me up and shot boy yo. They ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now time to chat boy. Gun in a me and do. Anyway.
If you want me make your dopey run up and down. Punish don't no walk with no little long gun. Why them a trace like them along? No bad, none of them no bad. Them boy there, none of them no bad. All them are high, none of them no bad. Them no serious, the whole of them coward. Them boy there, we no give them no ratings. Sit down like y'all a chat beer things. Have a little back like a loan and a bout them a spray thing. Bad man a step, tell boy stay in them yard you know. I seen them no fan clip proud you know. Head bust neck pop like a card you know. Bad go hard you know. Man, the wickedest thing. On the battlefield, them food. Call it a happy meal. Goes like a top of the double mouth at the field. What's wine up? Know everything inside a reveal. 911 cross the road, me hear a catty squeal. Tires a peel, got in a spin like a ratty wheel. Any one of them think them rank and face it. Tell them fifth face, because me no fake and know me got it real. Them no bad. None of them out there, them no bad. Trace and hype, them no bad. And we not fi brag about the things where we have them boy there. We no give them no ratings. Sit down like y'all a chat beer things. With a bag of man a follow back of them. And a stretch out and fi pot scrapings. Salt spring the clip them broad you know. Seal them we a go hard you know. Send them a straight round to the junction. Them fi no Clarendon have no heart you know. Daylight, infrared with daylight. Exercise like bugles for the K-light. Heavy metal make you rock and roll. And you don't know them thing you know we light. Hey, the only time them bother pass Snapchat. Couple video clippings with people think stop that. Show them boy they never know fi be like one pop. Man we turn you in a one big broad black bam. Them no bad. None of them out there them no bad. Hype and trace them no bad. And we not fi chat about the things where we have them boy there. We no give them no ratings. See them pan we name a chat beer things. Have a buckle like a loan and a shoes. Bout them a spray things.
Man a murderer, tell them no fuck round the gangster town. One thing no sweet like damn cologne. Them come in and me place come fire one shot. So the dance if it murder them man no care enough. Matic plug in 45 change gear enough. 9 ball 2 eye ball it fly 2 deer enough. Time fi bury them face can't repair enough. Gunshot fi bumper clap boy we can't hear enough. Run spin rifle them bust like nuclear enough. People know say 4th generation man them have fi fear enough. Long gun me walk with them me touching at the square enough. People get scared enough and start disappearing enough. Cause them know me no way shot me no bust my gun in the ear enough. Man a run jump fence and chop him and steer enough. If you check him close you know him piece and shit in there enough. Broadboard me use and bust him head like a pear enough. Half car pull up a who a drive jades a steer enough. Philip and him have 2 chrome shoes them make a pair enough. Big matic for me expensive and dear enough. Jumping at the car and with a drive come over there enough. Me no dep on wild things so me have to catch you near enough. Me no shot man for them come out a doctor in a wheelchair enough. Right in front the bar him bust a flick and pull him beer enough. Put me bust me gun and shot a choke him like
people, we no take shot from no boy. Me nah no done no take shot from no boy. We no take no kick up on no box from no boy. We no borrow nothing but you knock from no boy. But people, we no take no shot from no boy. We nah no done no take shot from no boy. We no take no kick up on no box from no boy. We no borrow nothing but you knock. Bad people, boy, we no follow. Must see man, why can't treat me no me color? Must see why you mama moan and all. Hands full of black cloth, them moan in a Sarah. Full of style, full of lyrics like this.
Check. The vibe there to people, don't fret. Check. Bombo class.
Grab a long time in the ghetto, step in a me bank, above talk. We no take what you want.
Bombo class.
I don't go look for your mother. Some of them not straight, them bend like a camera. Some of them as hard as it.
Yeah, me I see right now, people.
No like them a this and that. No person, no devil, no.
See right now. Even one grain no left.
From no boy, but people, we no take no turn from no boy. Now no done, no take turn from no boy. No take no kick up on no box from no boy. We no go no knock boy. Can't catch we. We no take chatty no face and no girl fight like when Tashika chase. Cross your face, no bleach out high in no face. Boy, if you run like 100 dash in a race. Man pop on them ends and shake down them black like sound when you chop in the bass. Too long we are wear clocks if you get a fresh pair of princess style. Not even late. Hot cabba, Rizzler up in the grade. I roll with sinting fi knock in your ears. Grow me friend genius and the boss boy can't violate round as Stephen.
Alright.
We par with bad people's shit.
Let me turn up the vibes right now. We say we got a couple minutes left to play some tune.
Now run where boy can't make we leave.
Something like that.
We no take shot from no boy. We now no done no take shot from no boy. We no take no kick up on no box on no boy. We never run nothing.
Everybody ready?
No boy.
You ready? We could change up the vibes right now.
We no take shot from no boy. We no take shot from no boy.
We don't time to talk to certain people because we get up and go work and make good money, right? Right? We not take no distraction or we on the way to the money. Not true.
I have a burn and I have a prepay. Do the max, Asian brain.
Me not sure me weed.
Champagne, I grade. Call me say England. Money pa my brain. Every woman, every man. Money pa my brain. Money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain, yo. Head.
Right now. Yo, where the plug at? So hold on. What me understand? On the city accident we just happened. And nobody just stretch out a helping hand. You see what go on right now? Like that, you know, we're not supposed to be friends. But tonight, let me show the vibes. Me upset.
Do the max, Asian brain. Little later, be a champagne, tea that. Finch and Jane.
You think I could be?
Bring pamphlet. She said,
people, them song you play, I can't even enjoy, but go on rock.
Give me a mad feeling, but the grenade great. With the grab a leaf, send me to a place where gravity no exist. My love stay there, so no give me no bush weed and no daycare. Be a smoke in the air, the grades blaze making on my dome serenade. Push a fire like when me pep out with the care. Big fat split me about 50 there. Boat more. Me a bill a split longer than bro, so me no smoke coke. Me send it on a boat, God.
Yeah, everybody in the chat, let me say, if you're outside the video, in the live right now, please go outside and like the chat, share it and like it, We're there.
Everything mad, memories loud.
Lights are hot, grab on a 50 bag.
Everything mad.
Alright, C10 already?
It's like hot, grab on a 50 bag. Everything mad. Anyway, you see me, I'm smoking my weed off a bill with the grabber with the voltage. Let the grabber toast it.
Everybody, like I say, you're now tuned into Vybz Friday. This is the boy Gallus J. Dr. Soa in the building, the bandit they are our special guest Eagle God.
East side chopper, head give me the chopper. 16 chopper, like waka. Put more run out again with the hammer. Head tap splatter.
The people in the chat, we do ask you to share the live right here, right now. Let's go on that smooth vibes. We got some topics right now. We about to hit the night. But before we get into those topics, we here with the guests. We are going to vibe. I'm going to make you know what I'm going with him. We am I deal with. We am I go deal with. And we am I go drop soul. Again, our special guest go by the name of Eagle God. He might make you know him soon. But make it true and go on play. Ready? Them boy there.
Dark and timid, east side willing, cool hard killing, gunshot drilling, blood start spilling, grave start digging.
Okay. Everybody in the chat, them like the life, me like that. Mr. Darry there early, walk go on, babe.
Face with the matic right now, shoot couple face.
Alright, see that. Are you ready? Watch it now. Watch it. Everybody there, cause on Friday, we there, we not there for lay. We there alright, we say we not for try. Oh, you say leave it to Eagle. Leave it to Eagle. I try me, you know, so when the artists them in that place, we have to try a thing, you know.
Friday, everything proper, thing get proper.
You didn't say that to already? I don't know, so we have to freestyle the same way, you know. They don't know, so we have to freestyle, you know. But again, people, thanks for tuning in. This your boy, Gallus J.
Dr. Sour.
Hey, Bonnet himself there, man.
And you know, so the big bad artist Eagle got in the building, people, and him about to, you know, tell me what go on with him and make we know what you have planned for the upcoming summer, you see? So we there go on vibe and cruise right now. We are shout out to everybody in the chat. That started out here, we know, so we not take time and rock and come in, because
we know we're not bothering no.
I don't know where we started, but today we started on time today.
But
we started on time today, yes,
We did good, yo.
Yeah, we get guess who's here on time?
Yeah.
Bucky's here on time.
Nigga, I'm always here on time. First of all, down to Sour's here on time.
See, I was about to take responsibility. I was about to be accountable for my actions. Damn, yo.
What?
I was here early as well.
This nigga got here, was warming the bench. You know them, when they play football puts and say, I
ain't never warmed no bench.
No, yeah, you was warming the bench
bro,
today.
I ain't never warmed no bench.
You never warmed bench.
You
Shut up, bro.
Shut up.
You see how but this
yo, see, no, me say her name correctly, because me say it fast, me say it bad.
Go ahead.
C.R. Nee is in the chat. Shout out to you.
Shouts out to Sierra.
Miss Knight, if you want your business promoted properly, shout out to Sierra Knight. Or shout out to the Live Vibes family. We get you hooked up with her, because you know she's a part of the family right now. First of
all, hold on.
What?
Hold on. You got... Damn. I gotta do his job for him?
So, man, I mean...
I know you put respect to her name, but
Yeah,
I don't think you put fully respect to her name.
what?
I feel like you missing a title, though.
What's that?
He missing
Stylistas?
Nah, I mean, I know she got a lot of titles, but I thought she was a baddie. I was looking forward to seeing her on Sunday. So
From with Gallus?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a fact.
That's
one of your co-hosts.
That's crazy.
One of your
respect that.
One of my baddies.
One of
That's
your
crazy,
baddies,
but-
that's a fact.
Shouts out to the baddie in the chat, man.
Shouts out to all of the
We got
baddies,
a
yo. But
baddie
big shouts
in the
out to
chat.
you for being in the chat. You already know it's always love,
Yes,
though.
sir. Yes, sir. But big up everybody in the chat.
We still got to
You
do
know
our
what I'm
brunch.
saying?
I'm tripping. We supposed to go out for brunch and talk. We didn't do it
Not
yet, my
only we
friend.
got an artist on set, but we got artists in the chat. Big up to 90 in the chat. Oh shit. On Friday night, I will live. They don't know if they have vibes, so big up the whole live chat. Big up on yourself. Anyone from. As me I say, make sure to charge on the phone. And as me I say, if you not take the Wi-Fi, please. Me I beg on the R5 people them. A little $10. Knock on them gate if them not answer, put $10 in them mailbox. I make them know, say, yo, alright, Wi-Fi pan it. They don't know, say, yo, I just live vibes. Yeah. So big up everybody who tune in, over on the tune in, wherever on the tune in. You know, say Friday and we're live. Yeah.
people.
J, this discombability right now.
Yo, me weed dash way. So somebody can sponsor me right now. Me can't even think to do this
J, look at sponsor. But we never talking about that. Let's go straight to it. We got a sponsor?
No, fuck them.
I know the sponsor of the Sour Hour podcast.
Yeah,
Live
they
Vibes.
get through. I'm good.
Always.
I'm good.
Always.
You know? What's up, Jay?
Mr.
Yo,
Anonymous Exotics.
Yo, shouts out,
Why
man.
are anonymous right now? Because I don't know where their blood clot.
Yo, chat.
He
Chat.
said Bush.
Chat. Them are your energy.
Everybody with there, thanks for tuning in. So
Oh my
we
God.
get the shout out all the way. We say shout out to everybody in the chat right now. 90 in the chat, I shout you out, Bad Eagle.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
In way
CRD
forward.
in the chat, Darry in the chat, Punda and everybody in the chat. So right now, people, we just gonna jump right into it. We did our check-ins already. Shout out to our sponsors, Mr. Allin. You said,
Mr. Orlin, always. I said Anonymous Exotics, yo.
yep. And One Love Window Cleaning. Shouts out
One
to
Love Window
y'all. And you
Cleaning.
don't know, my favorite sponsor, the punch with the thumb,
DNK catering, you don't know it.
DNK Catering.
Yes,
Is
sir.
catering to the. I feel like you have to take this before you got karate class.
God, is crazy.
Put a punch.
Yeah, man, say, yeah,
You
man,
said boxing.
yeah, man, say shot guy. Guess see that puncher? If I cannot get it in VIP at any event forwarding,
Yeah.
I won't be getting back a service.
Judge, God.
Ooh.
This
Yeah.
have to dip on VIP.
Hold on now. Hold on. Time out
No,
now.
really, but
Promoters do
Yeah,
that thing, man.
Dixon.
Yeah.
pitch.
No, yeah, we have to work on that. We have to
No,
work on that
I'm
one
gonna
day.
start you right there. Uncle Dixon.
Yeah.
Any event you have, where the other camera? Give me other camera, Punda.
No, no, yeah, man. Them clear and clear. We can clip it. Just start
Any
coming us.
event you have forwarded, Uncle Dixon, please. This after day behind shelf. Can
Yeah.
I carry puncher by DNK?
Yes,
You
sir.
know have it now, Lily.
Certified.
We gotta you gotta let the people know too though that it's we say Sunday shot box. We say Sundays.
Yeah.
Sundays when it happen.
The re-up on Sunday.
Sundays is the day it happen. Get your orders in because it sell out.
Yeah,
I ordered 3 bottles. I only ended up with 1 because that shit sold out.
Y'all
That
can,
shit's
y'all
crazy.
can come right back to this page.
Custom orders.
Yeah,
people.
come back right back to this page because you know that's
Yeah,
the
and
baddie
then
Sunday. So
you have to refer live Vybz to make them deal with it properly. See?
yep. Man,
like that.
shot. Yeah, shot.
Yeah,
This
there
on the
you go.
screen.
Yeah,
Shots out.
yeah.
There they go.
Top board.
Promoters, make sure y'all
No,
get
put
your
that
phones
right.
together.
Yeah. Carrot punch.
Carrot punch.
blood
Carrot
clot.
Yep.
See?
We in the chat. We in the chat.
Listen, yo, all of my Americans, yo. You niggas ain't if you niggas ain't messing with no Ray and nephew. That's the punch you need. You don't want to mess with a rum punch. That's the punch.
There you go.
That's the punch.
And this
punch,
is full
man.
of all the right carrot or fruit type.
Judge.
It's a vegetable, man.
It's all of the right vegetable that make it taste like a fruit.
Yeah,
and
sure.
it is sweet and have all the
You
right.
sure carrot a vegetable?
And it is and preservatives. That mean none in there.
Well, we go check it.
Yeah, yes.
All natural. All natural.
Ah,
yeah, that's
natural.
right.
The carrot. Oh, you camera. The carrot punch your thumb.
not trouble to get any girl.
Yes, get the carrot.
Then
If you drink the carrot, then your back won't be whack.
Yeah, the one.
Alright,
Nice try.
So everybody, let's see. So how was your week though?
Shit. I've been
Yeah, man. All the good.
Let's start off with our guest. How was your week,
Go
bro?
ahead, yeah.
we good enough, can't complain. You know. Once you have life, you have hopes now.
That is it.
So
That's true.
the more the greatest thing, you wake up see this morning, and everybody live for it today, you know. You know, every second somebody dead, you see it.
Man, this
You see me, thank God we're right.
Yes,
We're right now, you see me? So,
That's a fact.
That's true.
Mr. Doctor.
The streets don't love nobody.
My week was good, man. I ain't got no complaints, man. My week was all right, man. I went out Saturday. I didn't make it to the concert, but I did go out Saturday. I went to the after party. That shit was nice, yo. Yo, honestly, that was my first time going out in 2025. I ain't been out
You
yet
sound
this year,
you
yo.
sound proud as hell.
I am. Bro, I'm proud. Nah, Bucky got it. I'm proud as a bitch about that, son.
All right.
Alright, clap it up.
Tap your chest, bro.
Thank you.
Tap your chest, bro.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yes,
I'm an
sir.
adult.
Yes, sir.
I'm a fucking adult.
There you go.
No, I'm outside though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm still outside. Y'all niggas
There
know
you
I'm
go.
outside. But other than that, man, my week was pretty good, man. We had a snow. My son had a snow day. Yo, you know what's crazy to me? Is that snow days nowadays ain't about the snow.
It's about the teachers getting time off.
I don't even know about that, son. I feel like it's about how cold it is. That's how they base it off of how cold it is. Cause it was.
I
Oh, yeah, the
think
temperature.
so. Yeah, I think so. I think
Because
so.
you know, Martin Luther King Day was on Monday. Them niggas had off of school on Tuesday and Wednesday.
But I feel like they just did that for the holiday though. Maybe the poll was just coincidental or some
So
shit.
they never give it the holiday yet.
That ain't never. That's never been for a holiday.
Oh, well, okay.
You do get Martin Luther King Day off though. We always used to get that off regardless.
Well, maybe the students got it off. I don't remember. A long time I left school.
They just be giving these kids all the days off of school nowadays, bro. We used to not be able to go to school because the snow was up to the fucking door. Like you couldn't even get out that bit.
Yo, I saw, as you said that, I saw a video that went viral of some kids getting a snow day because they want more snow day. What they did, they put on ski masks and went into the school and scraped the snow from off the front of the school, like on the grass and shit, and piled it up at the doors, all the doors.
Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's mad. That's mad work.
One of the comments was like, why didn't like us or the generations before us think about that before they had cameras and
Because
shit?
we wasn't about to do all of that shit.
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
I wasn't about to shovel snow to shovel it in front of a door at a school. Yeah. First off, I didn't want to be at that school, yo.
Yep. I'm wearing. Yo, when I hear about snow day, that's the only time I used to watch the news. When it's snowing to see if school is off.
Yeah. Yo, that's the other
tuned
part,
into
yo.
that weather channel, nigga. I don't know what you talking about. I ain't going to no school shoveling no snow. Fuck that.
Yo, Bucky, what I just showed you, man. So my son's school, he go to school in the suburbs. You already know, GC. You already know. Look at you, hype now. But so
that nigga is well
Somebody
brought
in
up.
the chat said they like the Henny out of the wine glass. Very classic.
Yeah, man.
This nigga reading
Very
chat
demure.
But where that's up, G?
It's my wallet too. Me don't want to get too hot enough, you know.
oh, he got the whole method to it.
Oh my God.
You know? Yeah, like snow. Let me keep it snow.
Shouts out to the chat, man.
Yo, but nah. So they had they instead of you, like you said, you used to wake up in the morning early.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Just to watch the news.
Yep.
To see that shit, see the shit go across the bottom of the shit. If you miss it, you gotta sit there and wait to see if your shit come up again, yo.
I'm looking at my school name and all, nigga.
Nigga,
Like,
I'm at work. I get a text message from the school telling them that they close the school tomorrow, the next day.
Okay.
I get a text message from the school. I get a call from a name that looked like it was saved in my phone. I lie to you not. It was the whole first and last name popped up. I'm like, I'm at work. Like, yo, what the fuck calling me?
Nah,
It was an automated service saying that school will be canceled tomorrow. I'm like, damn. And then we got the app for the kids too, for the school that connect you with the kids, with the school and shit. And the app sends you a message. So that was when school was closed. Yeah. Just earlier today, them niggas text me on the app again and apologize for closing school for any inconvenience. I ain't never seen no shit like that before.
Yeah, some crazy shit.
Them niggas apologize for the inconvenience of a snow day.
Shouts out to the city school district, but you sound like that. That should sound like some dick. I ain't never get no notification like that. I said I used to. Jay probably did. Yeah, he probably did.
The fuck, man?
You probably did.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga, that's some rich shit. That's some bougie shit. Nigga, like, come on, man.
I mean, that's what we did not get, you know?
Nah, I mean, I grew up in city schools, man. I just know as a father now, bro, I'm like, shit, man. Suburbs is where it's at, bro. Education with it?
Yeah.
I get it. How your day was, Bucky? How your week was, man?
Shit, I've been off. I ain't, you know.
Wait, let me ask you first. Can we know when you hear snow day, you take it as a no beard day? Did you bathe?
No, I'm a beard dog because even though I'm a beard dog. Even though I'm a beard dog. But you don't know. Me don't ask him like you know. Yeah. But you get it straight. No, I'm a beard because I never date or two. You see me, I say you do it, man.
Date or two, I am putting emphasis because he liked to whisper. Bucky said he had a date or two that mean multiple people.
I had a date, brother. Anyways, I'm really good, man. I've been binging movies. What? You know what I'm saying? I've been watching movies and shit.
How you binge a movie, first off?
I know that
because it's because I just sit there and watch. So what I did was
binging it. You binge shows.
Listen to me, bro. Let me explain myself.
Listen.
I feel like I ran out of shows, bro. So what I did was I went on. Marvel's got a lot of movies, so I said Marvel's movies in chronological order.
Oh, okay. No, that makes sense.
So I started with Wolverine. So I said Wolverine in chronological order, and I watched all of that shit. I was like, damn, that went too fast. Went to Marvel's, obviously a couple Wolverine movies, you know, is in there. So I was like, fuck it, this is a long ass list. So I just started at the top.
What's the last one you left off on?
Wolverine was the last one.
The last Wolverine?
Yeah.
Not the
That's
Deadpool Wolverine.
Yeah, the Deadpool.
Oh, that was the
Wolverine,
last
that's
one.
the last Marvel movie.
In chronological order, yes.
In chronological
Correct.
order,
You're
yes, sir.
All right, so you
I did that.
really went through all of them?
Yeah, I went through all
like
of
the
it.
Avengers and all
The
that shit?
Avengers and all that shit. The
Damn.
snap. I saw the
You had
snap.
time.
Yeah, I was there. So yeah, that was my week. I didn't
Yeah, you
really
had
have much to
time,
do,
bro.
bro. I was chilling.
That's mad
You
movies.
know, I'm on vacation right now though.
Okay.
You know,
Oh, yeah, I forgot you. You up,
chat,
yeah.
enjoy my face.
You about to be
Enjoy my
certified.
face, 'cause, you know, yeah. But now we could chill though. I'm there, you know. Yeah, me that just bandit. No, I'm about to be a certified thief. I don't know thief with the I night. I know the thief with the I night. The thief is TEEF. Yeah, with an S on it. So thieves. So chat, big up on yourself.
Jay, how
was
your
the
week
chat week?
was, man?
Oh,
Yeah, chat. How was your week,
People in
man?
chat. Tell me how your week is. But my week was very, very smooth. It went by good, and we here. We just chilling. But what happened to you interesting this week? I was supposed to share something.
Yo, how the blood clock? Yo,
What?
first of all, I'm gonna use a government. Kevin, Mr. Window Cleaner. How we all have?
Yo.
Come out and we chat. Big up, G.
Yo,
Oh, your money for reaching that chat.
and a type.
Yeah, on a type too.
So,
Big up
alright,
yourself.
Yeah, shout out to our elders that can use technology, man.
There you go.
Uncle
Yo,
Biz.
make sure the lucky to brother, cause this summer so fired up. But I want to find this window cleaner. Yeah.
Oh.
I me teach him. After him teach me.
Wait,
Yeah.
that's enough
I'm
of
a
that.
teacher, but I go like. Yeah. But where that's MG?
No, we
The
have-
chat week.
Yeah, the chat week, they my fault, you know, I tell you. But
The chat
we
week.
said, we have a bunch of topics we about to hit tonight.
Yeah.
Like we said, we about to get into, we still in the finish off on our topic last week was who's the king of the dancehall. There's
But
some
yeah, that
new-
topic is getting a little spicy now. People
Yeah.
getting added. You know, me and say them just join your artist tonight. Him not join himself, but them get
we not
joined.
gonna reach
What
the
up?
stage.
All right.
But before we get into that, we have that we have to talk about. We're gonna talk about the election. But before we get into that, we're gonna get into our guests and let them know.
Boy.
Sure.
Yeah. That's what type, brother.
Yo.
Chat, as you see on the screen and on the caption.
Hey, yo, you know
We
what
got
I
a
do,
special
bro?
guest, and if y'all was tapped in
finish
early,
that so we can forward. That's the camera.
if y'all was tapped in earlier, it can go a bad freestyle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
shouts out to the big artists in the building.
We're gonna have to do another round. He gonna have to give us another
Yeah, I think
session
Jay
of
have
that
a
one,
couple
yo.
songs queued up. You have a
Yeah,
couple songs
alright,
queued up.
alright. Yeah, we get to that. We get to
So,
But so Eagle God,
Yo.
Rochester,
got a cups up.
Rochester native. Oh, we got.
Oh yeah,
we ain't cups up.
We got let's
No
talk to him.
disrespect to the guests, but you got. Come on now.
You're right, you're right.
Me know
Order
say-
the thing.
Oh, here we so quick.
A true man, I think so excited, you know. You see the guests, you know, excited to show up.
But yeah, shouts out to the chat. You know we can't break routine. You see me I say, cause management with that we pay.
Alright, so as we always say,
We was here last week.
We was here last
yeah.
week.
and we're here again this week.
Yeah.
After that, we thank God, and we thank our special guest for passing through for
Yes,
you
sir.
guys this week. You see?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yo, hold on.
Shouts out to the
hold
chat.
Hold on. I got
Again?
one more.
One more?
I got one more.
Go on again.
I'm officially off papers, nigga. Fuck
Alright.
out of here. I say whatever the fuck I want.
Bumbo
Drink,
clock.
smoke,
Yeah.
openly, yo.
Hey.
Officially.
You're free.
Officially. That's
Oh, you're
a fact.
free.
So we drinking to that too, yo.
Yes, sir. He had that shot loaded. He was ready to take that shot. So shouts
Ain't
out
none
to
of
the
them
chat. Make
check-ins,
sure
none of
y'all
that
checking
shit.
in.
Stay away
Make
from
sure
my
y'all-
fucking house.
Yeah. Make sure y'all take a shot too. And if y'all forgot, I know I'm cussing earlier. Make sure y'all like the live, please and thank you.
Make
and
sure y'all
subscribe.
liking the live. Hell yeah, like the live. Like the
Road
live.
to 500 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road. You know what I'm saying? The more subscribers we get, you all gonna see improvements.
And we do appreciate you guys.
We appreciate y'all
in the
passing through.
comments and the shares and
Yep.
everything. So we thank you guys for that and keep it going. So
Yo, we
Y'all
love
coulda
our
been-
day one supporters and
Yeah.
our new
Like,
supporters. All the same, yo. Y'all been showing love, man. Keep that love flowing.
alright, so
But
Eagle
Eagle
Boss.
Eagle boss.
Eagle
Mr.
boss,
Rochester,
Eagle
well, we
God.
know say you wasn't born here.
Nah.
So give the people in that chat and in that house that basically a good little intro where you're from and how you reach here so now and then we are moving to the music.
First off, who are you and where can we find your music at, bro?
That's
music?
That's what I just
Yeah,
said.
yeah, man.
All
Let's get some questions
platforms.
out.
Instagram, Eagle God, Eagle_God.
I'm about to say, spell it for the people that's stupid.
It's under.
Man, just help you out, man. Spell it for you now.
No, but I have on the chat because them thing are kind of hard to do. Because you know what, me and some of my friends them in the chat too. Them two we did up on the corridor.
No, me and my friend. No, he's talking about some of his illiterate friends.
Yeah. But me and my break light friend them in the chat. So it's under the description. Just put an underscore. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like name. But go on, artist.
So
Can't
go
forget
like
it right, you know.
EAGLE_GADD.
That is it.
You can find it on YouTube, Instagram, all platforms.
Okay.
You see me? And I got tracks, songs on all platforms also, all media platforms.
There you go.
Anything, Apple Music, Spotify, all of them.
Okay. Check it.
Just check it out. You see it?
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes,
I have
sir.
to say this, you know, because I'm in Rochester for a long time and a lot of people don't know me. You know what I mean? I didn't born and grow here. I didn't even be here for too long. I mean, like, what, 5 years, 6 years now?
Okay.
Like 6 years.
Yeah, Jalen been here for 2 years.
Yeah, we've been here for like 2.5.
Yeah, 2 of that.
Well,
So they say.
Yeah,
So they
well,
say.
I've been doing the music though, you know. I didn't go all out with it because, you know, I got a little distraction like, you know, work and stuff like that.
Life.
Yeah.
You know, as a provider, you know, you got to put in the work elsewhere, but at some point in life, you got to find a time for the music. Because if you love the music, you got to try to make time for it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And this year, I plan to go hard. So right now, I got a lot of project going on right now.
Okay.
Well, to say, a lot of people you don't know me because I'm not out there like that. I try to get shows, you know, but you know, some places you got support from some people, you got support from, you know, and I have to look at it like this. Like, I take this as a motivation. Like, I've been to New York City did a show,
Yeah.
like 6 months ago, 7 months ago, and you got this artist, big artist, boss long time, and he from New York City. And you know what he say? And that show that I go, it was his first show in New York City. And he say, yo, I do so much show tours all over the world, been banging everywhere, and this is my first show in my hometown.
Yeah, that's wild.
You know what I mean?
No, I definitely.
That's realistic though.
No, that's real, because as a performer, that's more than like
I've seen a few artists say that before. Where they was like, "Yo, your hometown." They like, I seen artists say like, "If your hometown supports you, the world gonna support you." But I've seen artists on the other side be like, "Yo, if there's like, yo, everybody supports you before your own people will support you."
Yeah.
Yo.
So the guy was like, New York, this is my first show in my town.
That's crazy.
And I got so much. I toured the world, and this is my first show here. So that I take that and I look at that like, yo.
You're gonna
fly. You gotta go on flight. You gotta just fly. Just spread your wings. You know what I mean? So doing that, when you go places and you hear stories like those, you take those as motivation. You know, you don't. Cause you know, music is bigger than all of us.
Music
big.
That's
like
true.
you learn music every day. You learn something new.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So it's just for you to just try and educate yourself, do research. You know, keep it in yourself and be like, yo, I love this. I'm not doing it for no like. That's what I love. If I'm not getting nothing from it, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Enjoy it.
You understand? When you keep doing something and put your heart to it and be like, yo, I ain't watching nothing. I'm just doing what I'm doing. It's gonna happen someday. You know what I mean?
What age did you say? Would you say you started getting on your music journey?
Well,
how did
I'm
it start?
gonna give you a joke now. Before I was an artist, I was a dancer.
So something like my friend was like, me and Sebastian freestyle.
I used to be with this group from Ocherius called Crazy Boys.
Okay.
Enter TST competition every year. We come,
Dynamite too.
never dance with Daniel, but Crazy Boys, they got Nerves and Tom and all them from some center.
Shorts out.
You know what I mean? And we've been doing this like, remember me about 8-year-old. We used to dance. Come here, dance long time.
Yeah.
Big old man, about 45-year-old, lift me up. Lift me up and I walk and I ball up on me. I say, yo, you know. So it's like, I mean,
my Americans,
entertainment.
that shit happens a lot.
I mean,
that shit happens a lot in Jamaica, yo. That's not
Yeah,
that's a
definitely,
normal
yeah.
thing.
We on that
You know what I
camera,
mean?
bro. Yeah, we got.
So,
Are we over there?
Go on, I think.
I'm in the entertainment, in the music business for a long time. So, you know, it just grow and grow and grow until they say, you know what, I get to like the artist business. I used to clash like, you know, street battle with
Yeah.
I always win.
Okay.
I been kicking asses.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, a nigga did look at me and say, yo, you know, you're calling like a eagle, you fire like eagle. He was talking about desert eagle.
Yeah,
and from that name stick on me.
All right.
You know, eagle.
Okay.
So I'm using the term eagle on the name Eagle God. So a lot of people think it's the eagle that really fly. But my name doesn't really come from that.
The people who know.
Yeah,
who know,
All right,
you know what I mean? So,
that is it.
So because they're saying, I always say the eagle, but because they're saying everybody like they can't like flying eagle, desert eagle. Some say eagle God. Some the God for all eagle, flying eagle, desert. So that's where the name come from. You know what I mean?
You choose which one you want.
You want to mean? You know what I mean? So, you know, so that's where it come from. And then I go on cruise ship for like 10 years, working in cruise ship. So the music thing is in me. I used to do it there, but you know, you're on water, so you just do it for the like. As I said, I do it for the love.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I just keep doing it. And I get off and I'll be like, come here, and I'm doing it. When I come to Rochester 2018 and start doing music, artists here, but I never know of none.
Yeah, that's normally what
I used to post. From 2018, I've been posting on Facebook. Posting. I never hear about no artists.
Yeah.
Until like 2019, 2020. You got Icon, buck up on Icon and do music, and then we go to a studio and buck up some other artists. You know what I mean? But you know, that's the journey. Like, I do it for the love. I don't expect to say that person gonna support me.
Yeah.
That person gonna support me. Who wanna do it, do it. Who don't wanna do it, do it. Don't do it. You know what I mean? I just do what I gotta do. So right now, 2025.
Yeah.
Belt buckle to back.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
People that is Eagle God. As we say.
Yeah, so back
Yeah, here in
who
socials
are some
and
of the
top
artists
in.
that is, you know, your role model that inspire you in your music?
I was just about to ask him that too.
Bunty.
All right. Okay.
Bunty. The first one.
Hey yo, you know what's wild is that nobody has ever been on the show and we've asked that question to has ever used Bounty, yo. That's fire.
But everybody they said they look up to Bounty.
Yeah, probably somebody will look up to Bounty. So just who as him say, who inspired it, you know, might just read the person as an artist, I just know, you know, for them style and my style kind of, you know what I'm saying? So alright. Yeah.
Bunty and Movado. Movado wasn't like. I rate Cartel, and before he got prison, they rate him, but me never give him the rating like I make it like Movado, because me the person, I'm a person. I like you sing or you DJ. Movado have that clarity. You got that voice. I like melody.
Yeah.
Them time when Cartel just bust. Cartel like, but you know it was like
why? Yeah, that's a chop road.
So them time the Movado was, you know, Movado was.
Yeah.
It's the melodic sound of it.
I like the melody.
Yeah, don't fuck with that sing J where you can fire shot in your face, man.
That's why right now,
like a Ja Vinci type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, them on there.
Me, I can go on any rhythm.
There you go.
Because of voice where I'm a person, I can adjust myself to any style.
Okay.
I can do little singing.
Yeah.
I can do little vocal reggae.
Yeah.
And I can go hardcore dancer.
There you go. All right.
And you don't find that the artist can do that.
Yeah, that's true, because and everybody has a voice. Because I'm an artist too, you know.
But you know, say, alright. You have some.
Yes, yeah, the front
some of the artists them in Rochester, and we have two artists in Rochester alongside you. You have 90 and Javi one. Bad.
90, but that.
Yeah.
Bad. Man, I walk with you 4 or 5.
Top for me building, you know, no style.
Yo,
Little boy,
Not
watch your
at all.
profile.
Yeah, tell you, you see when that kicked out the door? 19.
Shout out to artists, man.
but-
When I chat, I
I'm
artist.
not going on that buzz, man. But you know, like I said, just like you say, I wish y'all would figure somehow how to work together and push this.
Yeah.
Like, make a Rochester entertainment group.
A five group would be
It's
crazy, yo.
just a lot of
No, need to.
segregation, bro.
We feel artists just need to put on them up and just artists them need then. People need to see the artists them because there's talented artists here. As what I say, it's just I don't feel that Rochester is out there like that in terms of the entertainment scene. We're well known for other shit, nigga. We're mad other shit, but you know what I mean? The talents and shit is not getting highlighted for Rochester.
Facts,
So I like people like how we influence and all them things they for just put in the work on the artists and for put in the work for put themselves out there. You see me I say?
On social media over the last couple of weeks out here, I think about the DJs demanding more money. And all the DJs in Rochester right now.
Oh my
from
God!
perspective-
Why is we having this conversation, bro? I'm so sick of
And we
promoters
ain't talking about
and
DJ, we ain't
DJs
talking about
crying off
like
Facebook.
we talking about
We can
DJ
talk
like
about
you.
that. Go ahead, though.
But may I say, from that is like all the DJs demanding more money. It was sure that they're in high demand. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All my DJ friends working right now.
They're entertainers, bro.
You know what I mean? So when they come back to that now, when you have like 4 or 5 DJs on a show and one artist, and then the main artist, to me that's not really
I do agree.
properly planned show.
I definitely feel like we should get back to the time of having one DJ on the show and then
Not even one, at least two
at most.
Yeah.
Two at most. But you know, as a promoter, when I used to promote and everything, I know for a fact that having more than one DJ on the show is to save you money.
True.
Not necessarily.
Necessarily. Nigga, we was one of the originators of that shit.
But-
Yes, nigga.
But
it was to save you money.
So
Now that DJs are paying, now that DJs and everything are charging more, it's not as easy to do that. But you got to think of the amount that you are making off of your show, granted to what you paying your DJs. If I got 4 DJs on the show, and I pay, let's say I pay these niggas $300 a piece. If I had one DJ, I'm gonna pay him like 6. So the draw with those 4 DJs, yes, I may pay a little bit more, but I'm getting their crowds as well. Each one of their crowds is coming to my show now. Don't fuck around and get a DJ that promotes.
Because you know, but the thing is that the DJ wise, doing like a concert, you know, concert start like 7 o'clock in the day. The gate open 7 o'clock, right?
yeah.
I don't think you need to have less than 4 DJ in the show, for the show. You know why? Because DJ need to stop and regroup their mind. Like just doing this all night or like just going straight 1, 2, 3 DJ. You get you love music, but sometimes you get overwhelmed sometimes by you going from 7 to 11. You understand?
That's a good DJ though, man.
Yeah,
that's a great DJ.
Yeah,
I can do that though, man.
I think
people like different style of DJ.
No, but
you know what?
one DJ can deliver all of that.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like,
are you saying like artists like you or I think
in general, you talk about DJs.
DJs.
So you think you say from 7 to 11 is like that's too much? Nah. Yeah, that's a set. These fucking DJs are lazy right now. I'm playing for fucking 2 hours. You wanna get $300? You crazy?
But look, listen.
And they be crying, bro.
What I'm coming at.
The
The DJs, a lot of them say they're DJs and they're wild, but guess what? They cannot play variety of songs.
No, they can't.
They cannot.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And then you got a party that got 800 people.
I don't feel fault that
You know what
DJ
takes away from it though.
You say a DJ.
Go ahead.
It's either
Talking about DJ, shout out to DJ Maestro in the chat.
Maestro. Maestro. I'm glad he's here for this one.
Yeah, because
stay here, Maestro.
Shout out to Maestro.
And shout out to my girl Jay in the chat.
Because
shout out to Maestro birthday too coming up, yo.
You can't want to come on nobody party and just feel like say yo, yeah, go play for 30 minutes and an hour. And think say I collect the 300 and I pick no matter how much crowd you bring. As a DJ, if party I keep, that's why I say me not wrong enough. I say yo, you don't need too much DJ. 2 DJ is enough. You have a home DJ and you maybe want to bring another DJ from next side of town or you bring an out of town DJ. You know what I'm saying? But DJ if you play, man.
But a good DJ, brother, 300 cheap, a good DJ. No?
That's way cheap.
Way
for a
cheaper
good
than
DJ. Yes.
You know, when they bring DJ a tone,
I'm saying, I said that when you
pay
pay
DJ out of town, if you don't get DJ tone on 2,500 or 3,000 and more, you're not
Me get it.
So
So
local DJ come DJ for 3-4, brother, a pocket change that.
But the thing
DJ's
is,
not paying that. By the way,
is the parties there though?
Niggas
Is
ain't
the
trying to
parties
pay
here
that.
for that? Is the parties here?
But
Yeah,
if
when
I
I'm
D-
staying at the lane though, the
if I
DJ them are, you know what I'm saying? You can't outgrow the crowd like.
But what if a DJ bring the crowd? Then even if you might pay for 30 minutes, nigga, you still gotta pay that nigga.
Yeah.
Regardless of the fact.
And that's why we
Yeah, but
don't
pay,
need
but
Like for example.
me not like that.
For example,
Because
like,
you say you have
when you put fire up on that flyer, regardless if fire playing for 30 minutes or the whole show,
You
nigga,
paying for it.
he gonna bring people.
Yeah, and you paying for that.
So that's why he roll how he rolls.
Yeah, and I respect that. It's no disrespect against that at all.
No, but that's the thing where
Well, I know.
that's the thing where make the other like some other DJs we not really know how to with the variety, like you said, have the variety.
And that's that's what I'm about to say to bring this all together right here, yo. Is that and it's agreeing with everything that everybody was saying. That right there is you paying 1 or 2 DJs to play a whole show. It's gonna weed out all of these weak ass just playlist DJs. They're gonna come in here and play their playlists. That's it.
Yeah.
It's gonna weed all of them out. It's pushing them all of them out because they're not gonna get to work no more. So you got two bad. You know who was a bad DJ that I feel like get credit and still deserve their credit? G.I. G.I. can play any genre.
Yo, you know
That's a light skin dude, right?
Yep.
Yo, you know what my DJ?
Maestro, bad DJ.
Hold on now.
Wait,
Hold on.
listen.
You know what my DJ?
Who?
Maestro my DJ.
Maestro.
You know why?
Bad
You
DJ.
know why? Maestro go from fucking 1922 right up to fucking 2025. And
Yes.
you know timing.
But Maestro can play an entire night.
You know when to change certain things.
Maestro has played
And
entire
as a
nights
DJ,
before. Maestro don't need no other DJs on his set.
No, you don't. You don't.
And Maestro can play an entire night. It's not many DJs that can do that.
No, you really don't.
I mean, shouts out to Maestro, but I mean, I ain't saying that because he's in the chat.
No,
but
no,
he is,
no, you really
he is
don't.
definitely
No,
one of the
Yeah,
people
shouts
that
out
can
to
do
my
that.
show.
They bit 1, 2 and Maestro used to play.
When I first DJ Malingo from there.
Captain's Attic.
Captains.
All right, that's the
Before
first thing-
Captains Attic,
before
nigga.
Blue Room.
Upstairs, down, east
It was called some Maestro. What it was called? It was called when I threw my birthday party. It was called the Blue Room. It was called something else after that. It was on.
It was upstairs.
I know what exactly
yeah,
you're talking
and
about.
that nigga used to play from we there 8 o'clock straight back to the morning.
Yeah, DJ.
It was him, Damo, all of them, yo.
Guy, I say, as a DJ, if you do that, I look at lo-fi music too, you know. I feel like a lot of DJ them now, even out of town DJs, man, I culture, like all them, I chop at them too, you know. I feel like, I don't know if you explain it, but it's not the promoters, it's not the parties. I feel like it's society and how society set up. Because, remember one time you got a dance and you chew $1 or $5 or $10 and you're good. No.
Oh, yeah, it's 20 money pull up,
You know what I'm saying?
20 or better.
20 and hundreds and
20 or
hundreds.
better,
So it's like,
it's 20 or better. You ain't dropping.
nigga,
You drop
I get
something less than
booked
20,
and
they
know,
gonna
say, yo,
talk
play
shit about you.
he might bring him crowd. He might bring some of him chopper friend them, some of him bodies girl them. I know say you're rare. From him play a 30 minutes, some of him chopper friend them I got, you know what I'm saying, support him as a G and know say yo, he might play them tunes. So them I got sure vibes. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm EDJ can know say yo, me can go out and can not say guarantee, but at least say yo, a $200 pull up. You can't pay him $200 for play a party.
That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's what's fucking it up. A lot of people them lose love for the music because I say, I understand so the time is not as long, but a DJ at least be able to play 4 hours.
I feel like, yes, I agree. I feel like
4
what's fucking
hours
it up is
a
that
set.
Minimum.
You
We
say
let-
if it's a stage
we letting
show,
these weak
and
ass
we have
DJs prosper, 'cause they cheap.
multiple DJs too, you know what I'm saying? That's different.
Yeah.
That's different. But a regular party, two
regular
DJs,
party,
brother.
yeah, regular party.
Regular
Yeah, regular
party,
party, no,
two
no.
DJs supposed to play 4 hours.
Speaking of that,
Regular party, yeah, for real.
Jay, you was hosting a show on Saturday, Ding Dong show, yo. I went to the after party.
Yeah.
Well, now we can talk about your experience in a minute, yo. But at the after party, yo, Ding Dong came to it and his DJ. Who was it? Who's the DJ?
That's Stunner. What name? Scratchy.
The one that was on the one that was on the stage with him and the DJ. Yeah, yo, killed it in Sky. They killed it, yo. You could tell they had a great time, yo. You could tell they had mad fun. But them they played from Maestro played and they probably played from like I said probably like 12:30 to the end of the night. We was there till probably like 2:30.
Okay, what was this at?
At Sky, after the after party for the concert.
Yeah, Sky.
Okay.
But yo, he a
shout out
bad
to the thing
DJ, yo. They killed that shit, yo. And I feel like we miss out on those because a lot of promoters want to go over the cheaper route. They want to put 4 DJs on there where they can pay them $100 each instead of paying somebody.
Well, no, go work. Because as Jay said, DJ, them might bring them crowds. So that's one thing them are brought for.
And that's why.
A DJ, them have them pull.
But you see, at that same concert, though, brother, when I tell you, you couldn't tell who... You know how normally you could tell in the crowd who support what DJ, who basically bring the crowd?
Yeah.
When I tell you at that concert, brother, you couldn't tell. All of the DJ fuck up the place. They're from...
Okay.
Yeah,
Who was all on that show?
From Maestro, Rumbass,
Rumbass and Clips.
Oh, yeah.
And Priest.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yo, let me tell you, so dog.
Priest the quietest loud nigga in the world, yo. Priest be quiet as shit, yo.
Priest are weird.
Yeah.
Let me say, them man, them have replaced lift up. And then, that was from me being in the crowd, watching and looking down on people like...
How was the crowd? Was it a sold-out show?
They said it was a nice show. They said it was a nice crowd.
And then when I was on stage looking at Rumbass and them work, bro,
yeah,
you think it was like you in a stadium, bro.
Okay.
But the DJ didn't work. All Clips.
Yo, shouts out to Nate too, man. Shouts out to Rumbass. Shouts out to Nate. Shouts out to Rumbass International. Yo,
Nate, young youth, they're my father.
I gotta give a shout out to Nate because Nate looked like he was a natural on that stage, yo.
Yo, facts.
Yep.
Like he handled that shit up there. Like you gotta do this shit every day.
Multi-talented. The artist too, you know, so yeah.
I do this shit every day, yo. Shouts out to Nate for that, yo.
Neat enough.
So the whole Rumbass International, man.
Yes, sir.
Bucket, we can't forget Bucket, yo.
He was on the set too, right? He was on the set.
He was there too.
No, Bucket never did it.
He never played. I think he was
out of town.
I thought he was on the flyer, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. So alright, so since we are supposed to be here, music thing and all of that, and the artists there. So we'll go up on the topic now.
First of all, no, let's do like this.
What?
Artists, who you think are the king of the dancehall? As an artist.
That's the topic.
As an artist.
That's the topic.
As an artist. And this is live, right? So you say before we even I suppose as them know say yo, an authentic thing we do over here, say, you know. So we don't give a fuck. We are gonna talk with mine and then them
king
talk with their comments. So talk your mind. And it's not me, I mean yeah. Big
king
up
of
talk your
dancehall.
mind. King of the dancehall. As an artist,
would you
listen to music.
Before this conversation was had, would you give it to Beanie Man?
No,
so we are don't do that.
Let him answer.
No, that's a different question.
No, you can't. But man answer the first question.
We can start throwing names in a minute.
Yeah, like
Beanie Man lose the crown long time.
All right.
Beanie Man lose the crown long time.
But he was a king of dancehall.
He was.
All right.
He was. 2025 now. I not the new
yeah,
that's
not
nothing new. And he not help nobody. He not do nothing.
Be what I want to say. Me no need for you no new Beanie Man.
Yes.
For hear Beanie Man tune. Yes, the answer. Me no need for hear what new tune from him. For guys stage show.
Never say something. When you say king, right?
Yeah.
When you say king, it's a dancehall. Dancehall is a big thing, right?
Dancehall can't done.
You have a queen. You have a king of England. Everybody respect the king of England, right?
Yeah.
The king help people, right?
Yeah.
Alright? So, that being said, people gravitate right now
to Bunty.
Yeah,
no, Bunty a different class.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm following.
Listen, brother.
No, Bunty in a different... Right now, Mudagi, me give king...
Just finish your time.
King of that. Dancehall, not about dancehall, not about reggae, different category. Me give to Vybz Cartel. You know why?
Oh. I buy out to
the reason me give to Vybz Cartel.
Now you go on.
Vybz Cartel, they did a road. Him did dominate the place, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he got prison for 13 years.
Yeah.
And he still in prison dominate the place same way. See?
I don't know about the dominate, but I'm not drop through the process.
In their prison, I mean, I get a Grammy and
go on. That's not true. DJ.
No, in come a road, right? He might work. And he might help people at the same time. You spend money in give what $1 million to something there. that donation to thing the other day? To the school of Waterford?
Or run a film, please.
So, it's like, him full of Bundy footsteps.
I believe that.
Him full of Bundy footsteps.
Oh, yeah, that's his teacher.
Bundy even said that when I'm out. Vybz Cartel is a Bundy get 3 man.
Yeah.
Vybz Cartel, Massacre. Vybz Cartel, Movado, I'm busy.
I'm busy.
Turf, Gully, and God.
They were kings of dancehall.
In a dancehall, you can't get one man king because dancehall now listen to one man song every day.
True.
So you can't get one man king of dancehall.
I didn't even think about it, yo. Vybz did have some new track that pop.
I'm not know why Vybz Cartel tune for 6-7 hours straight. So the next lyrically artist one that is busy. Am I boy there?
Who that?
You see me?
Massacre.
Massacre.
Okay.
Yeah, Massacre.
You can listen to them on the right 3 freaking day and ain't no title listen to them.
That's true. Okay, I want to go through.
Right,
You won't throw Chronic Law in there?
No, sir, you man.
Everybody feel like Chronic Law.
No, sir. No,
Listen, Chronic Law.
What do you think about his face, sir?
You want to dance like me?
Look how him dress up.
You want to just dance like me every day? Big up the Chronic Law, no?
Chronic Law ain't done enough. Chronic Law ain't put enough work in yet, though.
No, I'm not putting enough work. It's just...
They do dance song. I put them in a different category.
Yeah, right now. Yeah, Chronic Law need a category for himself.
Different category put them in.
Yeah, he need a category for himself. Just like how Dexter and 450 have a category. Them need a category because you know you have motivational tune, you know. But me not think Chronic Law is a motivational tune somewhat, but in talk the truth too.
That's a fact.
So it's like I don't know. So Chronic Law we have to work on that, but Chronic Law need him own category.
Yeah, but Cartel alone is not the king. You can't say Cartel is the king like that. You can't, as I say, you can't get 3 man the king. But man can't hold it and say, I'm the king, I'm the man, nah.
Oh, now remember the young youth them too, you know. So what we feel like them are showing out the young youth them, I say.
No, but what you know.
Unless they talk about Prince, then you know, give them the Prince title then.
You see the thing, you know. I say this every day, I wish 90s dancehall could have come back.
Okay.
Always.
And Cartel got prison for some time, and since Cartel got prison, real 90s kind of ease back. Now he come out now, Cartel bring back real dancehall, you know. For right now, we don't have to change after a year or 2 or 3.
Cartel right now, like you
when they say bring back
dancehall.
Yeah, when they say bring back this dancehall, what you mean?
It make, you see, Bundy start shine more. Bundy a glow right now.
Okay.
You understand?
That's an interesting perspective. I feel that Bunty always there still, because Bunty like dancehall. I agree with him in somewhat though. I can't agree with that one.
No, because now go on and Bunty go on and give back things to the community and them things. No. But no, brother.
In terms of stage show and appearance, I get what he's saying. Bunty is with the times right now, so I get what he's saying.
Somebody say you like cars, like pressure them. So they must come out.
So in terms of
try to do more work. But try to work and put in more work because they don't want this the Cartel like a
well, it's good. We have to understand with Cartel now, and I agree with you because before Cartel got jail, him set a trend.
Right.
Crazy trend. Remember when they have blood clot Bridgeport, shout out to Bridgeport, and man they have pipe and wash them face with cake soap. And things say, yo, listen, Cartel say, yo, our face are going to get white if we wash it with the cake soap. And man, I walk in a school, them cake soap and Dean, and discipline, I tell a man, say, yo, move from the pipe. You know what I'm saying? So, me get it. He might have error them. When him going to jail, he might have another error too. Is it me I say? Found out, another error. Anything, we understand that. So, me get what you say in terms of make the artist and put in the work, you know. Me get that. But, me also feel like, say, yo, yes, he means a king, but the argument should be, is he the reigning king? Because them have to have a king from when Cartel, one a Cartel, like warm to popcorn. Come on now, I want to pay youngins, Cartel boss, you know. I want to pay youngins far off from the Lions camp, you know. Come on now, so. But feel say, yo, don't take out Cartel out of the equation because, as you say, multiple kings. But the affair, it can't just be Cartel. Because a whole heap of
I'm not saying it can't just be Cartel.
Cartel.
I say can't just be Cartel.
You see me, I say, can't just be cartel.
You can't argue that,
Shouts out to that bad link up. You see me, I say.
Shouts out to the chat, yo.
Yes, you see all you.
Think, chat?
No, talk about me a group. Me say them join your artists in the king.
Who you talk?
I do, yeah. Them
Yeah, I was going to ask that question too. That was definitely a question for that.
Yeah, remember say, I don't know they were right.
He was a king at one point. Do you believe he was a king at
time?
I do a job.
You see me, I say, I might he might not be as consistent.
Yo, you talk about consistency until you run.
Bondi say, cartel, I don't know. Like Bondi say, I don't know better than cartel, but cartel do more controversy thing. While doing just lay back.
Yeah.
But lyrically, Bondi say, I don't know can you ever tune him, I say. Bondi, cartel, you have to listen to something 10, 15 times.
Yep.
That's a fact.
You see me?
And I go back to the mobile.
The controversy thing make
the clarity.
Make Vice Cartel kind of relevant.
Yeah, cartel always stick with the times.
You see me? Yeah.
Him always try to master the current times.
Right.
You see me? I say?
Lay back too much.
Yeah.
Busy. What about Busy? So you said Bounty said it was Cartel, Lovato, Busy.
Yeah.
Busy dropped a birthday song out of nowhere, and that shit is a
Global.
banger, a worldwide banger.
And then I
bro.
said, unlike being
And this nigga is going to sit back for another
Yeah,
couple
and that's what
of
I
years.
said.
unlike
He
being,
really
we don't-
created a
we
birthday
gotta be-
song that's gonna last
That's
for
the smartest
generations.
shit ever.
That's gonna last for generations. That song ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I'm saying,
Every
unlike
year that
Beanie, would still got Beanie concert, you know. But Mudu want Beanie drop the new tune. You see me, I say, I don't saw me
Why
feel, but
not?
I don't think it's needed. But like I was busy, busy just drop a new
Busy
tune.
didn't need
It's
to
like,
either,
yo,
though.
that man is different, but
Nah, Busy didn't need to drop that birthday song.
He
Yo.
didn't need to, but when he dropped it, it's like we needed it, nigga.
We needed it. I feel like
You know?
us as people needed a new birthday song.
But it's like Beanie different though. You really think Beanie need a new tune for really spark a stage show? Hell no,
Nah,
nigga.
Beanie don't need nothing.
Him don't need no
Beanie
new
don't
tune,
need to
dog.
say nothing
Check
else.
it, chat. Check it,
What
chat.
Yeah, what the chat say? What the chat say?
Your chat a load faster than mine.
Maestro said Cartel has done nothing musically for a dancer since he's been free.
Yeah, and I was
That's a
letting the
fact.
DJ talk, but
Them songs,
I don't agree with all that.
them songs he put out wasn't shit, yo.
Which song? What do you mean?
Comet. What's the other one he put out?
Comment nobody.
Is it a real Cartel banger though? How often do you listen to Comet, yo?
Let me tell you the cartel. I'm gonna go look it up before me even talk fuckery. Me agree with you, Kenny.
me not
try to find the tune.
I'm not saying it's not bad, but it's not Cartel level bad, yo. It's not. I feel like Comet won't get played after this year.
You might show a point. Might show a point still. Might show a point.
That's a video team.
You have a point because Cartel drop enough song and you know you one song like it's like when I have certain song back in the days and have certain song like this song I repeat everybody a play a song.
Yeah.
You know nobody a play a song like that like everywhere you go like this is a one song that's a rotate.
The old song them, yeah.
The old song them but the new song
Yeah,
them.
new song them, yeah.
Might show you have a point. Might show a point.
But that's what I'm, yeah. But in the church, that's what I agree with you in the work part because he's doing shit that he been trying to do in terms of promote, in terms of influence. So him always like gonna stay relevant. Him no feel say Cartel I worry about being artist. Me feel say more about being relevant.
Yeah, and him busy
Cause
promoting
him know say music not done. Him know say him talented. You know what I'm saying? Him know say him that one king already. You know say, you know what I'm saying? When I grung, you know what I'm saying? When I grung God. You know what I mean? Grung pick them. You know what I'm saying? Cause I kill like grung God. So I feel like he comfortable in that aspect, but I agree with Kenny because me not hear no real bad man since him drop out. Me not say we are look for no real bad man. Cause you don't know say him a push a different vibes, I know.
Oh yeah,
But
most definitely. But
the lyric like we need another lyric. We need another lyrics.
do you believe that Cartel could give us another fever?
No, we don't need fever. Lyrics is part
I'm not
four.
saying we need that. I'm not
Lyrics
saying we
is
need
part
that.
four.
I'm saying
Of course he can.
huh?
Of course he will.
He can, but we obviously need two. We obviously don't get
Do
two.
you think that he would have to collab with somebody else in order to do that?
No.
But we need to collab them with the females. Them I will put bad females out.
Everybody in the world want to collab with
Cause that's
Cartel
easy.
right now. I can guarantee you that, yo.
No, we
Anybody
know
would want to collab
Cartel
with
come.
Anybody
people
get a
better.
Cartel
Let me tell
collab?
you something now. I realize. Me not cut it. Right now it's a cartel. Cartel come from prison and he said people praise him. So to me right now, Cartel is very comfortable.
Hell yeah.
He now go as hard as he used to go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But we need
It's like he get lazy musically.
You know, but this is
Yeah,
the
you can say that.
this is
Not even lazy.
Put
Like
anything
you
on there.
said, not even lazy. Comfortable. You know what I'm saying?
Watch it, Bruno. This is what me think him do from when I watch him. I'm not saying he get lazy. He did get music, but he get smarter. Him say him sick, can't keep up like him used to.
Right.
So when first thing him do, draw back him whole team.
Oh, or immediately.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put up back in business.
Put his kids on.
Put him business all in a different.
Put his kids
so
on.
You know what that I gonna do now? Just like how Bunty build alliance.
Yeah.
And think what am I gonna do? Am I gonna build back Portmore? Gaza. And when you do that, am I gonna make it be like a real group where you have to pay dues. So at the end that everybody can benefit from it.
Right.
You know what I mean? Set up just because.
I mean, I've been saying that. So if you feel like that's it, the direction he's going, I look forward to it.
Take over about the media and everything. So you might really try zoning for everything and make sure you have one person from every that's running each part of the entertainment.
Yeah,
whether be social media,
Jamal,
you know what I mean?
the feature, the man Jamal, that's far. I ain't gonna lie.
Tell them, man. The man
So-
smart, man.
But would you say though? Would you say his features are tougher than his singles right now?
No, all of them.
Huh?
No, I'll say 50-50.
Because me not really get
No, man,
the.
Carter singles them tougher to me.
Okay, they not. Me not know.
You singles them?
We need others his part for. Sorry.
Alright, so since we know that, you know.
Then code. And top drop song. Why didn't top drop song?
Okay, like you said, then get caught.
Yeah, they get caught.
That's crazy
So
because a lot of media predicted that, and the artists them just get cooler. Tuna job still.
Since we dig up on the King of the Dancehall topic, so now we are going to say one of the biggest components can have that title they have, can hold up in a clash, right?
Yeah.
So now they did a try put Beanie against Cartel. Beanie still a try go against Cartel, but Cartel saying that answer him not clash nobody. So now another thing you see, Deva Brad, I shoot off a Cartel a couple times. Deva Brad is a bad artist.
Yeah, Deva Brad fire some whole heap of shit over
bad
God.
And then again after that, now you have Ding Dong just get shoot off a style of G shoot off a Ding Dong.
Damn.
So
you know what's crazy? I just heard that nigga on the radio. I was like, where the fuck this nigga been at?
Who?
So we all of them
What short man? DJ Short man?
So we all of them they know artists. So where you stand for all of that? Who you think?
Beenie Man can't even step on Cartel shoes list. Number one. Cause Vybz Cartel.
Yeah, buyout.
Vybz Cartel.
Buyout. Jay gets paid from teacher.
Vybz Cartel are experienced warlord. My war experienced warlord.
Okay.
Remember Vybz Cartel and move out of history.
But remember we are talking about clash, you know. So who you think would have take the clash on a stage show? Cartel or Beanie?
No Cartel, man.
Cartel?
What do you mean?
They must be bumbo clad, man.
Cartel will take that, man.
Yeah, mad blood clad.
Over Beanie?
Over Beanie?
Clash?
A stage.
Cartel will take that,
Stage
man.
show right now?
Stage show?
mad
Beanie
man
over
artist.
Cartel over Beanie?
Me da wait for the question there.
Cartel
take that.
No, watch this
Yeah,
one.
mad man.
I feel like say.
You see the clip that when Beanie just share? In a 1996.
1996 or that one.
All right.
No,
Still. Yeah, pull the crowd right now. I'm going to see a thing with him and Cartel on a fire.
This is the point they might try to prove. Put Massacre and Beanie on a stage. Massacre get those same way.
Yeah.
Boy, I mean, never see that.
It's Beanie. It's
Beanie,
man.
nigga, on a stage.
You hear
what you said? Beanie was a king of dancehall, yo.
Yeah, but we are talking about class.
Watch it now.
Beanie was really in the dance.
Watch his style.
Go on.
That's true, though. That is true.
When's
Beanie can't beat Cartel on a stage show. Number 2.
Okay.
Number 2.
Yeah.
The royal survives Cartel now, so it's going to be a bias war because everybody going to move up Bean Man.
I mean, I guess, yeah, you can't say that. You can't say that. I guess you can't say that, yeah. I guess that's the point. That's the point. We're not talking about if they do it now, though.
You know what that just made me think of, though? This nigga, what do you call this
That's a
nigga
fact,
fan
though.
base?
Huh?
You know how you have the Gaza fans, the Alliance fans, the Gully fans.
What is Beanie Man's fan base?
The Beanie Man's fans.
Where Beanie Man from, yo?
The Beanies.
Yeah, Beanie Man from everywhere.
Shout
Nigga.
out
That
to
nigga lives
the
everywhere in the yard. No, but you wanna know? I feel like the reason why you're able to say that is because our Beanie do. I feel like say him never as a king, you're not supposed to shoot off our next king, brother. Much less somebody where you look up to and consider.
Bad man.
Me, you can't say that as a,
You don't see like someone like a cartoon put the body.
Yeah.
Doesn't cartel say like I say you're bad man, you know? Yeah, you can say that. Cartel say, well, let's see if you bad man and you me like me, you can scold on. Yeah, boy, you can say that. You're bad man, no? You're mean man. You can say that.
But the thing is, though, the reason because of that is because our being it, though. I don't think Sam should have tried this cartel. There was no reason for that. You know what I'm saying? That's what he said when I lose the stage shows, them have a stage show.
Being man feels safe in show with a cartel and cartel answer going to come back. Because being man in big, you know.
No need to come back.
You want some cartel strike when I talk about cartel around the place. You want some strike.
But being man dancehall still, because being man still got the on the ground in there.
Yeah, but
as me personally,
generation change for him.
Me personally, it's up to him. If him can if him can really follow up with a current tune we can connect with me, it's all about relatability, you know.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If a tune connect like something.
Yo, he said it though. He didn't say it.
Yeah, he said it.
He said it.
Man, almost crashed, man.
Overtime. Yeah. But you say if your tune connect like some chronic tune, and you know what I'm saying? Nobody don't really want to hear shit them that.
I'm telling you.
Is it me I say? Nobody don't want to hear
it. Me tell you what beat cartel now. When you sang them sound so. Before cartel used to do. Cartel song used to catch it.
Yeah.
Can keep them simple and chat. No, them try to put too much words in them song now. They're going to dictionary, they're going to Bible and put too much words together, make it sound well long.
It kind of used to do it. It kind of always do that, but we kind of need some of them the back.
You see when you do a song where people can catch it, catch it and sing and relate to your song and sing, brother. It's a different story than you have 1 million words in the song. People don't remember some and remember some. It's just like it's a boring.
Because people attention span different from back then. Back then people used to really want to look up what the way I say.
And sing to it in them head.
You have a point.
When the song done, and then done listen the song, they're supposed to walk with them and sing
it again, yeah.
It's a plain and end.
I see what you're saying. Verses. And I feel like that's the reason why Chronicler right now, not really, as much as him tune them really. You see what I'm not going to try that word again.
Relatable.
That's true.
Relatable.
Yeah, that word there. You know what I'm saying? As much as him tune them is like that, it's like him need the catchy tune there now. You know what I'm saying? Because we have girl tune from him. You know him a shooter. You know what I'm saying? But we need like a dance tune. Because you don't know him when him perform. What I think them is him doing bad dance. We need some more foot move. We need to build a dance. Chronicler, build a dance. Because we know it's a good shot. Another dance, we know, you see, one of a bad foot dance and another TV is another dancing tune in the pan. But I'm not saying him need for dance, I just say him need for, you know what I'm saying, something different. Because I have the crowd right now, you know. Don't get me wrong on the song.
He got the following. He got the following right now.
He have the crowd right now, man.
He definitely got the following right now.
Something missing.
Longevity, yo.
Yeah, I feel like you need more time.
He
might build the catalog right now in front of our face, you know.
Chronicler ain't put enough time
every week,
yet,
you know. Might build the catalog, you know.
Bro, think of how long Cartel went before he bust. No, that sound wild, yo. Before Cartel got. That's fine. Yo, I accept that, yo. But how long did Cartel go before he got started getting more out there?
Chuck music, yeah. But Remember the cartel, as the DJ says, Alliance in
How long ago you went before he started getting motion?
We don't know the exact date, but it really bust 2003 or 5 or around
See,
them.
see, Bucky can say it, but I can't.
Right. Hey,
No, me say really bust around 2003, 2005. No, me, what do you mean? No, what you said
at me.
What you said?
What you said was diabolical.
What you said
Bro,
was
what was the
diabolical,
difference?
bro.
Explain to me the difference in that day.
You just
Because we are talking about-
wanted to know how long he went before he bust.
Oh yeah, that do
Who
sound
wants to know
wild,
that,
yo.
bro?
That do sound
Who wants to know
wild.
that?
That
You know
was
what?
words of Dr.
Yeah,
South.
that was wild, yo. That was wild.
Anyway.
Yeah. Yo, you're hearing that back, you're right. You're right.
Him touch his dancehall scene around the same time as I do around 2005. Is the man say, and many would say he's been consistent since then. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about consistent hits, but he's been consistent in the dancehall scene. So
as soon as Carter,
Hold on the doctor. One Love family, boss. We don't want you two Bantan Beanie man, you know, because the doctor been representing Jamaica well, even though in bad mind. So don't
as a bad.
band.
Now him get back in video, you know, some more. So what am I gonna do with that?
Yeah, the
And get
doctor
back
has
in,
been
you know?
him a good performer and he represent Jamaica well.
And
So
that's
we not
why,
go
and that's
too
why I get, you know,
Bantan,
that's why I give him him.
The farmer king of the dancehall, you know. We not go too
No, he's a
Bantan.
king. Surely a king. Surely a king.
Yeah, him still.
But as a farmer king, me feel say if you not job current tune, you cannot tour and all these things. But if you not job current tune, then you need to worry about king, brother.
This is what people like Uno do now. Uno say that now. And Uno turn around and say, yo, them fi go chill and enjoy time and make the new
No, because
That's
I still want to go to the stage shows, nigga. If Beanie got on stage show, any artist, if them have a stage show, me I go. But it's like, me don't need a new tune from them. Me don't need them to drop a new tune.
So what you just said is...
No, because listen, a young artist there. So if me go on them stage show there, a young artist either have to open or perform, he might call out a young artist. You see me I say? So you don't need no new tune. New tune is here. We need tune from theme era. Cause we know who really, unless they really have that era of tune where you really listen to tune every day and listen. You're not listening to old tune, brother.
Look at him.
You listen to new tune.
Of new artists, right?
Yeah.
He was a 90s artist.
Yeah.
So you see if he even release a song right now new,
Yeah.
it not gonna sound nothing like the new artist.
it's not.
It might go sound like 90s.
A 90s artist, yes, that's a fact.
Because new artists them chop. Basically them chop of them, they're home.
Not necessarily, cause being able to tune is
Beanie
not necessarily.
A good tune.
Not necessarily.
It goes sound like a 90s. Because
Not necessarily because you hear Beanie tune Beanie and Skeng. Slap. That's your hit.
Is it a hit?
I don't know about hit.
Is it a hit?
But
That's
it's a
what we're
good
talking
listen.
about.
It's a good. I haven't listened in a while, but it's a good listen.
That's what we're talking about, though. Is it a
It's
hit?
a good listen.
We talking
And I
about hit.
feel
We
like
talking about
he's-
if Beanie could put out a hit right now.
And I feel like if not, me don't need that. All right, let me rephrase my statement. Me don't need that new Beanie single, but a feature is okay. If you feel like you want to be current as a king, you can feature with one of the young artists.
There's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with that.
But
But me don't need that. You don't need that new Beanie single, brother.
I agree.
Yeah, you should still be making music, but not make music if you make hits. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you want to compete with the young youth. Them
If you heard Buju or Barris or something right now with a young artist, you'll be like, oh, you know what? This shit is alright.
Complete, once a complete night. Because if you can find a hit and find a good hit, brother. We hit.
I'm not going to say we're not going to listen to it. I'm not going to say we're not going to listen to it, you know,
If you
but
can find a good hit, find it. Shit.
I'm not going to say no.
Music,
Yeah, you're right.
music,
You're right.
I mean,
You
you think Busy knew he had to hit with the birthday song? You think when he made that shit, he was like, yo, this shit about to be over.
That's a good
This shit
question.
ain't going nowhere.
That's a good question. I don't know.
He's definitely...
And no, you can say that now, but when he walked in that studio, was he like, yo, I'm about to make a song that's about to last forever?
Well, I feel...
As an artist, yeah, as an artist.
That's a question.
No, because that has
Which
to be...
part of the song you like? That birthday song. Which part of the song you like?
Happy birthday, y'all, my friend. That's the standout part of the song.
So, I'll show you. Each song don't come out a full song. You can get one line
Yeah.
in one song.
That's a fact.
And the
That's
one
how TikTok got popular.
People start about hit song and you want a hit line. That's all they want.
Yeah, that's
Hit
true.
line.
So which
That's
is,
true.
Which is why I know...
You want a hit line. You want a hit song, you want a hit line.
Once him sing happy birthday,
that song was gonna be last for
okay.
no matter
okay. How many other artists have made birthday songs?
Nobody that I know.
No other artist has ever made exactly because that one stand out to you.
Smart.
But I'm sure that somebody else has done. I guarantee you, somebody else that made a birthday song before, made the attempt at it. Remember, like 2-3 years ago, and I go to just regular like Americanized shit with it, yo. 2-3 years ago, they tried to push some a new birthday song, not the Stevie Wonder one, because the Stevie Wonder one gonna last forever. That Stevie Wonder, how that shit go? I can't even think of it right now, yo. The black, you know the song that every black person sing on their birthday, yo. Yeah, happy birthday. Yeah. That shit gonna last forever. Yeah, but it's been people that's made songs since then about birthday songs. That I think Beyonce made a birthday song. It didn't even stick. Yeah. So it's not. I feel like
it's timing. It's timing.
It is timing. It is timing. I guarantee you that it's been another dancehall artist that made a birthday song before and it just didn't stick.
Maybe, but I don't know.
Because it wasn't.
I don't think after Quada, no. No, cause Ding Dong do something like that.
No, what Quada song? That the one?
Celebration.
Is that a birthday or no birthday song? It's just
that's a birthday song, nigga. Nah, that's a birthday song. That's a song. That's a Earth Strong song.
If they mention birthday in the song,
yeah, that's a birthday song, yo. Yeah, if you hear that for Earth Strong, yeah. But
yeah,
that's busy. I think Ding Dong do all that kind of like a remix with the happiness.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not a birthday song, though.
Not a birthday song.
That's what I'm saying, somewhat. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not busy forwarded it. You know what I'm saying?
No,
from my perspective.
It's no way around that. He did that, yo.
But, as Mr. Dome, I don't know if you can call me by yourself anything, but... no, because I feel say, yo, as I like busy though, them man they current, you know, because them man they tour still in that, but I feel like I'm more one year and
last
busy.
Song Busy had?
I don't know, I'm not gonna lie, but I know say I'm at tour right now and I'm active right now. Before that,
do you think he would be tour? Well, I mean, he gonna tour regardless because of who he is. Because he got a track list regardless, so he gonna tour regardless.
Before this, no did
I'm not tapping. I be a young true maneuver.
Stay so, yes. How many years ago was that though?
I'm not sure.
Because we were still at the clip.
That's like 2015, 2016 times, yo. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's at least 10, 15 years ago. Yeah, bruh.
Shouts out to y'all. Y'all still here listening to my crazy.
Stay so that wasn't
you know
that he came out of nowhere.
Shouts out to our guests.
Matter of fact, because Stay So came out of nowhere.
In the building.
What did he do before that? It's probably like 5 years or 6 years prior to that. Because early 2000s he was popping.
Yeah.
We talking 10 years later, bro.
True. No, he went. No, because the reason why you said that because we was looking for him in dancehall. He was more in the roots.
Valley. Yes, he was. Yes, he was. You're right. You're right. You're right. He's on that 47th floor, but yeah, that's my shit.
But yeah, so people talks in the chat that been tuning in. Yeah, shout out to the guests again for the one reason we're doing the same way. So quick and fast, we'll get to the closing part of the show. But before we get to that, tell them if you find it on Instagram real quick and all of that. Quick.
Instagram, Eagle God, EAGLE _GADD.
Alright.
And first J, first in the chat. Jay, try to wrap up the show quick. But shouts out to the guests.
We give the guests our time and we don't want over Yeezy.
No, we're there. We're somewhat professional.
Yeah.
Right. Now, the guest been involved though. He been involved. He been giving good.
From me say that, and if you could have said, I said, no man, we're good, but you see, you might try to respect, we have to try to respect in the same way. So you see. So I just said, we have to the dance and talk, but just to wrap it up, we got a couple more topics that we want to head on. I don't know if you have any opinion on
but we could chop them down quick and fast. Now we don't dance right now.
Monday we got a new president of the United States.
Donald Trump deport about 5 million people yesterday.
Ice. Cool
out them,
La Magra. That's what they call it. La Magra.
Cool out chill like slave from 1930s.
My eyesight in place, yeah.
Them niggas ain't think about y'all, man.
Yeah, we've been here 2.5 years.
Yeah, them niggas ain't think about y'all. They thinking about Mexicans and all of that.
Come on, Papi, time to go home.
But
man. So as of Monday, man, we got a new president of the United States, man.
Uncle Donnie.
On the same day that of Martin Luther King Day, which is crazy.
Yo, and I heard he been doing crazy stuff since he changed like a couple laws.
Before you go there, yo, I saw some shit today. I don't know if you came across it, where they was asking people How do you feel about Martin Luther King not going to the inauguration?
Not going?
And people was like, I think it was kind of messed up. Like, even though if you don't like Donald Trump, you should probably be there. Yeah, bro, you see that?
Wait, confused. Ask me again.
How do you feel about Martin Luther King Jr. not attending Donald Trump's inauguration on Monday?
Why would he go?
Why would the fuck? How could he be there? How could he be there?
I thought you talking about like his generation.
No, nigga. Martin Luther King Jr. Him. Martin.
My ass thought you talking about his kids.
Nah, bro, him. This was a real question they was asking people. And people was like, I think it was kind of messed up that he wasn't there.
What? Wait.
Exactly. Think about it.
No, I got it. But this is a dumb question from me. They call him Dr. King, right?
Yes.
It's the same person.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Because I say, that's where the confusion was. All right, cool, run it back then. Just say that, because that's what I'm used. That's what my brain registered. Because when you say Junior,
oh yes, Dr. King. I'm sorry. So why was Dr. King? How do you feel about Dr. King not being at Donald Trump's inauguration?
Was he supposed? Well, was he supposed to be there?
I feel like.
Bro, how the fuck could he be there? He died in 62.
68.
Okay,
1968.
So that's why people.
I'm not
there. You niggas ain't know this nigga was dead?
No, because when you say Junior, I'm like maybe his son or some shit.
He's still at the 100 man.
All right,
that was just a question to show you how people,
how
people is.
People
I get what y'all trying to say, but I'm over here. I don't know if I was just. I feel like I was overthinking it. My bad.
Yeah, you was, yo. You was.
Because when you keep explaining to Jay, I'm like, how is he? I got it the first time you said it, but then when you keep explaining, I'm like, damn, I'm with Jay on this one. Like, is this his son?
When they said Junior, I'm thinking that he.
That's what
I was thinking, bro.
That's why I switched to Dr. King for you.
Okay.
How do you feel about Dr. King not being at the inauguration? And people was really answering this question.
Because this is the
I would have had a great comedic moment if you'd have let me answer.
I mean, you already had a great comedic moment when I had you answer.
We got you on that one.
Continue.
I was about to say, this nigga's
That's wild, man.
He said, you was about to say what? It's a racist shit. Go ahead.
Funeral arrangements.
Yo, real quick though, I got another question, man.
Go ahead, Buck. Go ahead, man.
Because this shit is on the media right now, and we talking about. I know the guests gotta go, but you ain't gotta answer this shit. What the fuck is wrong with y'all niggas, bro? Anyways, bro. Yo, what's up with this maternity thing, brother? Yo, like.
They give you a jacket?
No, I'm not get none.
Yeah,
but me say I be a jacket you wet.
That's what it sound like.
Me say I don't sound like it is a fact, bro.
You got a jacket?
I be a jacket you wet. Me say 1 in 3 man in Jamaica have a jacket. So that means that every man in Jamaica we have 3 penny or more. At least one of them have a jacket.
Yeah, but me see.
Explain what a jacket is to the people. No, before go though, because we ain't finished the Trump shit. So the new laws and shit.
You're not gonna expound on that? All right, go on.
Well, me don't know.
Me don't really know about the new law.
Like they said, the whole ice shit when he's scraping up all the.
Okay.
Yo, I heard there was this one article I saw a video. I guess this must have been a restaurant that was running for like 26 years.
They came and shut that shit down. So yeah,
somebody dropped a tip, and basically 90% of the workers were on paper work.
Bro, you get $750 per person.
But that's what that's the snitch cost.
$750 per person.
Anybody that snitch really I hope they homeless, because if you're not homeless and you snitching, then that's fucked up. But anyway, them
niggas really out here doing damn
crazy. They even scraped up citizens while they were locking everybody up.
They do.
Yeah. Bro, so you know what's messed up about it is that they had the whole app and where you could set up a people that was really trying to get their citizenship the correct way. Yeah. They were trying to do it at 11 o'clock at 10 o'clock on Monday. Once he took office at 10 o'clock on Monday, they shut that whole shit down. So the app that people was using, like if you had an appointment at 10:30 or 11 p.m. to go get your citizenship, you cannot get that shit
it's
no
over
more,
with.
yo.
Damn.
It's over. They did them dirty, yo. And he shut down their whole little app that they was using for it. He shut down a lot of shit, yo. He wasn't playing. What I will say though, is that nigga said he was gonna do a lot of bullshit. He said he couldn't do the inflation shit. You see he was trying to get the price of eggs down.
We need eggs in general.
Damn, I should have freaking wrote this.
Nah, he said when he first got in there, he was like, yeah, it's gonna be a little. He's like, that inflation shit harder to do than normal.
Yeah. To be on his 2 gender.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that one we can't go with.
That's a big one.
That one I can rock with.
Only 2 genders, man. Either male or female, man.
Don't go on trans.
That's
Don't
it.
see I in my car.
I can't argue it, but then you got to think about to play devil's advocate to that. You got to think about the people that's been living life.
I don't give a fuck. Trump don't give a fuck.
Trump don't give a fuck.
Male or female, bro.
Let that nigga take the taxes off
You
of
like
server
what
wages,
you like,
yo.
though.
I'll
I ain't
take
going,
that.
you know. But on papers,
Me like what me like.
Yeah.
Me don't like what me no blood.
yeah, man, like on the blood clot, like. Shouts out to Bounty.
Shouts out to everybody, though, man. Shouts out to everybody. Yo.
but it's
No
like
offense to nobody.
Yeah, on papers, show them say, male or female.
That's what your president said, man.
Yeah, on papers, because not, all right, with that, are they going to change a little listing on the papers when it says?
Yes.
Okay, on like application forms?
Now he got like how many lawsuits he got against that? How many states are suing him right now? It's like 20-something states suing him.
Oh, they suing him for that shit?
They suing him for yeah.
All the
That's crazy.
the bird something boy if you born here, if you child born here,
Yeah,
they ain't a citizen.
They not a citizen,
if
yeah.
the parents not a citizen.
That's what they suing him for. Is that shit?
Yeah.
That's what they suing him for.
shit.
You're right. That's what it is.
Okay.
So what? I feel like that's fair.
If you're born here, you
what
should
you
be a
mean, nigga?
citizen, yo.
No, because this is my view.
Well,
on
you're
it.
born on your citizenship.
No, bro,
That's been a thing.
You are, yeah. That's what they made up. But you are whatever your blood is. So whatever your parents are, that's what you.
So you're not a citizen.
Nah, nigga. Your
What?
parents
You're not a
are not
citizen.
citizens, nigga. But if you're born under American soil, you're a citizen. Of,
That's what
the
the
fuck?
law is. That's
No,
what they
that's
said.
not what he made.
That's not what Trump
That's
is
not the
saying,
law
nigga.
that Trump is saying.
No, I'm saying that's
Where's
what
the
it is
shot
now.
dog? Where's the
He's trying
shot
to
dog?
reverse it. To say,
Where's the shot dog? Cause shot dog do him attack boy no. Cause I don't know what you attack boy no.
I say you can't take the land out of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
But them born here,
Citizen.
that here where the parent is. It just a come.
It parent are the parent, bro.
Yeah.
But
Is it me
either way, if he did, even if it did go like that, shot dog, him still would have to go back, cause him would have deported himself too. Time that didn't come from here.
You want Trump wife a fucking
I think
Yeah, and he white.
Yeah, she immigrant. Yeah, she immigrant.
Yeah, but either way, but
Yeah, I think as him say, I think we have a
Yo,
just think how your blood comes
How about that he partied?
that's
He
crazy,
partied
though.
all of the Proud Boys.
all the niggas that ran up on
that's-
All the
Capitol.
niggas that ran into, these niggas ran up on a Capitol building 4 years ago. These niggas did about 3.5. They didn't even do a full 4 years in jail.
You part of them.
He pardoned all of them.
Full
Oh, you
pardon.
niggas looked out for me? I got you.
Damn.
I got you. I got
Yeah,
you,
Trump
bro.
working. That's crazy.
Bro, he literally said he gonna do everything. He doing everything that he said he's gonna do. I can't even argue that, yo.
Well, me just go.
It may not be good shit, but he definitely said he
No,
gonna.
but that's to show you that
Biden pardoned a lot of dudes.
Yeah, if you had a last name Biden, you was good.
Biden
was good.
But what Kenny mean by that is like when Trump, like, he said a lot of shit and he did it.
He backing it
Versus
up
every other president, they make up shit like, oh, we had to go campaigning
for
or
the campaign. Yeah.
travel, or we gotta do this, we gotta start
Yeah,
this
yeah,
law,
yeah.
wait for the bill to pass.
Exactly.
Nah, this nigga.
Showing you that I can do this shit right.
he's
I
showing-
got control.
No, he's showing you that they were choosing not to do
Uh-huh.
certain things. That's what it's showing you. Because with Trump, what you don't understand about niggas that live for the media in the face, they have to be able to stand on what they say.
Yes, they do.
So they gonna make sure before they go out and flex their muscle.
They got something to back it up.
They know what's it back there before they talk. Type of vibe.
Yo, he declassified Martin Luther King.
Oh,
Speaking
yeah.
of Dr. King, he declassified his assassination, John F. Kennedy's assassination, and Robert F. Kennedy's assassination.
So we about to know the
we
truth.
about to find out what's going. That magic bullet that they said killed John F. Kennedy, that they don't know where the bullet came from, and all
We
that
about
shit.
to know.
We about to find out.
Damn.
I don't even know why they kept
Okay.
that secret, but
CIA, FBI, all of that shit, man.
Yeah, but you know what?
Above,
You know
above our
what?
pay
Movies.
grade. Some shit we ain't fucking with.
that's what he was saying. So,
Yeah,
like
Trump.
I just say,
Goddamn.
me no want, me never go call
Alright,
them
nigga.
my name correct now. Me want my app them stay up, you know.
Right.
Nah, we good, yo. I'm on papers. We good.
Never leave Mr. SpaceX alone. Go and fly go on Mars and bang up the thing them up there and leave with them. You see it? I leave all the social media them because we see I take time buy off everything I buy out the president, but that's how it goes still.
TikTok.
Yeah, so anyway, so people.
TikTok was down over the weekend. We ain't talk about that part real
Mine
quick.
wasn't.
This nigga, my
Yes,
shit.
it was.
I went
My
to
shit
sleep and it was
gone,
back by
bro.
Monday.
Oh yeah, I woke up. I was at work and that shit popped back up. TikTok. So speaking of Trump, once again, speaking of Trump,
Flexing his muscle.
I got the screenshot of what that shit said, yo. When he cut it off. So remember, who was the first person that really wanted TikTok shut down? Who was the original person?
I think they said it was him.
it was definitely him that wanted TikTok shut down.
I heard something like that. I definitely heard something like that.
So
when
you click on the TikTok, after 12 o'clock on Friday, sorry, TikTok isn't available right now. A law banning TikTok has been enacted in the U.S. Unfortunately, that means that you cannot use TikTok for now. We are fortunate that President Trump has indicated that he will work with us on a solution to resonate TikTok.
Trump Perkins
once he takes office.
Trump Perkins
Sunday, when 12 hours later, when TikTok came back up, welcome back. Thanks for your patience and support. As a result, President Trump's efforts, TikTok is back in the U.S.
Trump most of that.
That's not wild.
But I'm mad because I deleted my shit. But hey, yeah, me deleted. I'm gonna get the first message. I mean, I say, yo, I'm not a content creator. I ain't really got much on there.
You could have locked it. You could have done and locked the same.
No. Once you delete it, you can't because you never end up on the App Store no more.
He log out. He deleted it.
Yeah, I deleted that shit. I uninstalled it because I'm like, it's taking up space on my screen.
In the US. If you live in the US, it ain't on no app store. It might be in Jamaica.
Yeah, I think the extension.
It's supposed to be a 90 day
extension. Them get.
But would you be surprised if it stayed longer than 90 days though?
There's other streaming apps and there's other platforms.
Bro, you sound salty, bro. I'm trying to push nothing else because you all got TikTok no more.
We on YouTube, nigga. YouTube right now, nigga. Niggas need to start dropping vlogs and shit. Going day in the lives.
Because you can't go on TikTok?
And shit. I could go on TikTok. It's not on my phone.
Can you?
I got it on the computer. I'm still logged in. So I'm good.
You ought to see the Bucky walk around with his laptop with the camera on it. Like, yo, say something to TikTok.
Jacob video called me and screen sharing so I could see the For You page. So I'm good with that. And niggas still post TikTok on they fucking Reels. Other platforms and shit. So
you sound like a nigga without TikTok right now.
I'm okay, bro. I'm okay. Just like OJ, that's just some feel.
Hey boy, you see a bad mind.
My bad mind too.
So everybody, this has been another episode of Vybz Friday.
Yo, shout out to the guests, man. We got a vibe.
We're going to Vybz out to it and we close up the show. Again, our special guest.
Cut my check.
Eagle God. The God for all eagles.
That's it, I'm saying.
That's him say so.
Yeah.
So tell the chat, social media again and we just run off with the tune and then we just go in there juggling and
Eagle God, EAGLE_GADD.
We don't like that, people. Again, we say thanks for tuning in. People in that chat,
like
some Eagle God, then jumping and juggling.
Make sure you like the live, please.
Yeah, like up the live.
Make sure you subscribe. Road to 500 subscribers. Yeah.
Chip like shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. Chip black shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. We now look no ratings. Them pussy they outdated. Look on them a laugh. Dog them a creep up. Pussy them a heap up. Eagle and can't make freeze up. When he can't start kick like World Cup. Chip black make them freeze up. Make them freeze up. Chip black shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. Chip black shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. When the thing goes up, they might ask for that. I eagle with the eagle, I step in on them zone. We bring them home, I send them home. Them boy they are talking. Never know Spain town of the big rooms. Bullet in a mouth run through them chalk.
Yeah, people, we are about to some Eagle God right now. What you say?
Shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano.
Ready?
Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. Check block shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Them now do the crime that we do. We now look no ratings. Them pussy outdated. Look on them a laugh.
I don't think I start telling Bucky now. We don't look no ratings.
That Bye.
Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Then now do the crime that we do. Chip black shot fly like eagle. Bust them head volcano. Blood run like river. Then now do the crime that we do. When you think goes up, a eagle with the eagle, I step in them zone with the thing, them chrome, we send them. Go, them boy they got to.
Yeah. Chat.
We out here, the other artist Eagle got in the building.
What was the name of that one?
It's a fly like eagle. No, chip black.
Next track.
What about them father now me can't speak. Pull up him and run like in the tracks and field. Tracks and field. Boys tell them a gun man. So the eagle fly and pick him. I want to Mr. Motor living me like if the boy marrow fly like pigeon. Love is straight, so make a girl just call and trick him. Brain fly like ball, but on a mall and hit him. Don't run, don't move. Boy think a police and confused. Piss up himself, that a wrong move. Tanisha, you make him brain blow bad fuse. Them for them say we no easy. The rifle them no fun, them greasy. Nothing can't talk over no peace treaty. Yeah, fool. Boys say them a gun man. So the eagle fly and pick him. What do Mr. Motor lipping me like if the boy marrow fly like pigeon. Love is straight, so make a girl just call and trick him. Brain fly like ball, but on a mall and hit him. My place, all my songs, Spanish town. Only place a vanish clown. Big lock them chick, the rifle clip long and the pan very broad like me girl hit. Pussy, them a test target, me gon' be a brawling. Clap, boy the power like food in the market.
It's all like you're ready for clash no artist. So like stage show artist, you know.
We have to bring you up on a nice spotlight Fridays them. Yeah, we have the thing set up.
Durant must perform already. So make a girl just call Durant. He's supposed to be performing already. Don't run. Don't move. Boy think the police and confused. Piss up himself at a wrong move. Tanisha, you make him brain blow bad fuse. Them for no something easy. The rifle them no for them greasy. Nothing can't talk over no peace treaty. Yeah, fool. Boys say them a gun man. So the eagle fly like
I should put it on the camera.
if the boy marrow fly like pigeon. Love is straight, so make a girl just call and trick him. Brain fly like ball, but on a mall and hit him. My only sound Spanish town. Only place a vanish clown. Big lock
Yeah, we have artists over here who set up the sound the right way. I want have a nice spotlight Fridays. Yeah. So we can have some nice freestyle. I go and artists say, yo, any rhythm, you know. And I call me too fresh right now, because with a whole of vibes with the artists, but we need the thing set up to where we have a spotlight. You see me? Yeah. But people in the chat, pick up yourself. As I hear in the audio, Eagle got himself there in the building. Live with you and a whole of vibes. Jay, you have one more? Oh my God.
We are going at the jungle right now. That was the artist Eagle God. People check out the music. Keep saying it on all platforms, social media. What you know?
Alright. Shouts out to our guests, man. Shouts out to our anyway. Well, yes, over there. You see me answer? Shouts out to probably lucky Indian KK there. Sponsor them with some carrot punch. Listen, we be sponge right in our money. So tap in, you know, say we start forward Sunday. Yeah. Shout out to the producer himself. Fundini. Out man. Behind the ones and trees. You see me, I say, yeah. That's how in the building. Girl is J, my dirty fruit friend there. You see me I say? You know me, the bandit there. So Jay.
Yeah.
You know, see they on live, right? And the whole time they talk to you.
Man, I'm march with the 4-5. Something tuck on me belly, they no style. Hit the bus if you ready for the ghost life. East and west, man, and I give on the both side. Killer day, and look up, boy, check the profile. Something tuck on me belly, they no style. Hit the bus when you ready for the ghost life. East and west, man, and I give on the both side. Killer day, and look up, boy, check the profile. Black said I watch up on me wristband. Instant fan in this man, I respond. Touch of the ends, anything me see, I get flat. The 16 of them scoop, chop a jelly free. Boss boy, make a toast by me enemies. Yeah, me keep everything them close, like me ready to go so far. Some talk by me belly, then I know style. The boss if you ready for the ghost like East and West, man, and I keep on the both side. Killer day, I look up, boy, check the profile. Some talk by me belly, then I know style. The boss when you ready for the ghost like East and West, man, and I keep on the both side. Killer day, I look up, boy, check the profile. Them a just come, never yet stab a boy, never bust gun. You make lips them load gun custom. From the bang I take the lead, blood must run me to keep on me. Everything they are full of the people. Everybody in the place and I make the money. We have a couple bad bitch, we have a bad money. Now anyway, you see me with the 4-5. Something talk on me belly, then you know style. The boss if you ready for the ghost like East and West, man, and I be a killer day, I look up, boy, check the profile. Something talk on me belly, then you know style. The boss when you ready for the ghost like East and West, man, and I from the both side. Be a killer day, I look up, boy, check the profile.
Yeah. So Jay, why you follow people in show with your decent action in front of people in camera?
Give me some.
Eh?
Oh, na 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 na.
It's
Give me a bucket.
no, can you come try?
You want to know why we can't go anywhere we feel like?
You can't compare the meal man on this thing. You can't compare the meal man on this thing.
Let me play some Beanie Man since I fight him out.
No, you can't.